Wait, those ain't mine. There's only one other guy who wears a size 25.
Sorry, Len's got cold feet. Happens out here.
If you listen real close, the sky sings. Tonight it's singing green.
Hot tea in a snowstorm. Nature's chaos. Meet my kettle.
This fire doesn't talk, but it listens better than most people.
Meet my cousin, Sketchfoot. He's not very good at hiding.
To another day of not freezing my tail off. Cheers, sunrise.
You ever been so cold your hair turns into armor?
Yeah, that.
This is Bigfoot, signing off for now. If I don't post again, I probably became a snow sculpture.
All right, my Frosty Friends Day, that's a wrap. Thanks for braving the cold with me. Hit that paw print button, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Stay warm, stay weird. Goodbye.